Right then, mate, on a job together.
Fantastic, I can't wait.
Yeah.
Working with my mate.
Just got to go pick some bits up first of all in the nice new Nissan Interstar that Nissan have kindly lent us for a couple of days to go and get this job done. I suppose the good thing with this is as well, we've got a 5-year warranty on it, 100,000 mile and 5-year road assistance. So should the worst happen and something happens, we've got the road assistance.
For 5 years, that's fantastic.
For your saving grace, it's got this driver drowsiness assistant. So if we're in here and the worst happens and you're feeling a little bit drowsy, it'll keep you on the straight and narrow. Apparently it keeps the wheel nice and level, so you're not going to be...
And also, things up on the dashboard, I need to tell you.
Just ping an alert up to you, and all you got to do is pull over for a little bit, have a bit of a break, have a coffee. You know, us as tradespeople, we love a coffee. Any excuse for a coffee, mate?
Oh, definitely.
Right, let's go and grab some bits. Do you want me to jump out?
No, we don't have to do that. I've got the rear parking sensor so I can see on my monitor, just like a car. So you know exactly where you are. And when that red light starts beeping, perfect.
Perfect, mate. Job.
Let's get out and get some stuff.
Let's go.
Look at the size of that.
I know, mate. It is the biggest sliding door in its class, 1.3 metres. But what about inside? What do you think the volume inside that van is?
13 metres cubed.
A bit more, mate.
14 metres cubed.
14.8 metres cubed. It is huge in there.
And look at this vertical bulkhead.
Yeah, perfect, mate. Easy loading into this van.
Job done. What do you reckon the payload is on this?
Payload on this, gotta be 1.5 tonne.
No, mate, 1.9.
1.9, that is perfect for any job. Loads of tech in it. Apple and Android Play, all the screens, digital climate control, USB chargers.
I like how the actual screen is, you know, facing to the driver, so it's dead easy. You've not got to lean over anywhere to actually, you know, touch all this technology. If you're driving along and you see somebody on a bike or some pedestrians, it pings up to let you know to keep everybody safe.
There's some tech in this, mate, isn't there?
My van hasn't even got electric windows.
So driving through streets like this, you don't know if it's a 40-mile-an-hour limit, a 20-mile-an-hour limit, but this has got that function on, hasn't it, that detects the signs, detects the speed limits and alerts you to it.
Which is fantastic, really, because it's going to save you getting speed tickets, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
I've been a plumber for 46 years, and I remember vans when they were just a steering wheel.
Agricultural, weren't they?
Yeah, they were. But now, you've got all the actual apps and everything that you've got in your car,
Yeah.
and all the tech out stuff.
They're a nice place to be, aren't they? Like with my van, I don't mind being in my van. You know, years ago it was like, I've got to get in the van. It's an old agricultural, rattly old thing. Whereas this is built like a car, really nice layout.
I also thought about everything though, especially with this seat that folds down in the middle.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've got the facility to accommodate 3 people, so you can have 2 passengers and the driver. You've got all the techie stuff, but if there's nobody in the middle seat, you can also use it as your office as well, because there's so much paperwork now, especially, you know, with your gas gas tech and all that kind of stuff, that you know, you could just, you know, fold that back up, you've got a seat, fold it back down, and you've got all your paperwork. So
it's perfect, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Like I've always said, as a tradesman, our vans are our offices, aren't they?
yeah.
You know, you spend near enough the whole time you're at work in your van, going somewhere, picking stuff up. That's the good thing with this. The room in the back, the payload in the back is huge. Right then, Andy, you have been driving the all-new Nissan Interstar. What do you think?
I absolutely love all the techie bits on the inside. For me, that is the #1 thing I've been loving.
Perfect. Well, it's my turn to have a go in it now, and we'll find out what I think.